Hello everyone, this is Viksha. Welcome to my channel. Today let's learn how to do yoga. Do this yoga to increase memory and concentration. This is Sarvanghasana. Lie down on the floor. Raise your feet up. Lift the body and hold your waist with your palm. Lift your leg 90 degrees straight. If you are doing it for the first time, lift one leg first and lift other leg. Keep in this position for 20 to 30 seconds. Sit straight on the floor. Keep your left leg on your right thighs and right leg on your left thighs. Like this. Keep your palms on your knees and close your eyes. Take a deep breath and relax your mind. Stay in this position for 5 minutes. This is Padmasana. Pay attention to your breathing. This is Padahastasana. Bend and keep your palm under your feet. Hold its position for a minute. This is Paschimottanasana. Sit down on the floor. Bend forward till your head touches your knees and hold your legs with your palm. Be in this position for a couple of minutes. This is Setu Bandhasana. Lie down on your back. Hold your legs and lift your hip. Be in this position for 20 seconds. This is Halasana. Lie down on the floor. Raise your legs. Bring it over your head for a 180 degree angle. Touch your toes on the floor. Be in this position for 20 seconds. Straighten your right hand. Focus your tip of the thumb. Keep focusing on the thumb. Slowly move your right hand to the right side. Keep looking at your tip of the thumb. And again bring it back to the position. Now repeat same with your left hand. Do this 5 to 10 times. Hold your left leg, place it on your right thigh. Stretch your hands up in the air. Join your palm in the prayer position. This is Vrikshasana. Now let's do Surya Namaskar. Stand straight, stretch your body and raise your hands. And lean forward and touch your toes. Keep your palm on the floor. Bring your right leg front and stretch your left leg back. Come to the downward dog pose. Bring your knees down. Take the hips back slightly. Raise the chest up into the cobra pose. Now lift the hips. Then come to the downward dog pose. Now bring the left leg front. Then stretch the right leg back. Again bend and touch your toes. Then stretch your hands upwards. Then relax. Thanks for watching this video. Like, share and subscribe to this channel.